Souk. I'm from New Zealand. Welcome to New Zealand Daily News. So here's the weather forecast. Today we're going to listen to the weather forecast. So now let's see what's the weather forecast like in New Zealand. And we are going to listen to Kampan, the reporter, about raining.
Hello, my name is Kampan. Now I'm in New Zealand. It is raining. So today I'm going to tell you about the weather forecast in New Zealand. The temperature is going to be remains the same of 85%. It's going to be rainy this weekend. So make sure if going to out, don't forget your camera and be careful yourself. It's for today. Thank you.
That's the weather forecast report in the south of New Zealand. So now we're going to listen to the weather forecast in the south of New Zealand with pucojmus.
Hello, my name is pucojmus. Now I'm in New Zealand, so it's very hot. So I'm going to tell you about the weather forecast in New Zealand. The temperature is down to 30 degrees high, so it's going to be hot on Friday. Today, thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.
That's the weather forecast report in the south. So now we're going to listen to the weather forecast report in the southeast with Yuamcai.
My name is Yuamcai. Now I'm in New Zealand. I'm going to tell you about the weather forecast. Very cold and a bit snow. Now I'm living in the south of New Zealand. Today it's going to be they won't have snow with the temperature 0 degree. Today it's very cold and snow, and tomorrow it's going to be other very cold and snow. So you here you to be carefully and take care yourself. Thank you so much.
That's the weather forecast report in the southeast of New Zealand. So now we're going to listen to the weather forecast in the northeast with Pulau.
Hello everyone, my name is Pulau. Now I'm in the north New Zealand. Today is weather here is windy. It is very dangerous. So be careful if you go out. So I think tomorrow is going to rain than today a lot. Thank you.
The weather forecast report in New Zealand. So it's not really convenient for everyone to go out. To be sure to take care of yourself and your children, your family. So for today, thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.